guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we're out in Nelson Lakes National Park doing a little hike up to Whisky Falls, which is right along the lakeside track. About a 3-hour round trip hike, and so far it's very chill, very flat, quite serene and peaceful. Got the second water crossing done and we're almost right down at the lake now. It's so lovely. Temperature is amazing. This is really nice. Home stretch, about an hour and 20 minutes in to the hike, and we can hear water in the distance, so it sounds like we are very, very close. But I have to say, this hike has not been really all that great. It's a little monotonous, a little tedious, but it might be worth it once we get to the falls. It's kind of hard to judge a hike before you're finished it. We found a really cool little dock that goes out, or a jetty, I don't know, that goes out into the water. Just right off the trail. Ah, it's a little steep getting down here. Wow, the water is so clear too. Look at that. Made it to the last river crossing and it's massive, so we're gonna have to take our time with this one. We've still got about 10 minutes to go, and I think it's gonna be uphill to the falls. Looks like it's straight up. Yep, here we go. Whew. 10 minutes, more like 2 minutes. I can see them, and they look pretty epic. Might be worth it. That's pretty sweet. Made it to the falls and absolutely beautiful. I can't say the hike was worth it though. One of the worst ones I think that we've done in New Zealand. Just a lot of bugs, a lot of wasps, mud, and really glad that we did it though. I mean, the waterfalls are absolutely breathtaking. I think it'd be better if we had have like jumped in the kayak and then came out here to the jetty, which I didn't know there was a little dock out there. Pretty cool though. picked up. We're down at the jetty, the famous jetty, and it's very beautiful. Lots of eels around here too. And of course, you know, we came out here for a nice sunset, but it's not looking so good. It's very overcast. We might get lucky with some colors here soon though. Other than that, that's really going to end it for the day. So we'll see you guys really soon.